First of all, it'd be great if you could tell us a bit more about your background and involvement in the industry.
Sure. Thank you, Katie. Happy to be here. So in my current role in the device development and technology organization of Merck, I lead cross-functional teams that are focused on the development and commercialization of drug-device combination products, parenteral drug-device combination products, auto-injector, large volume delivery devices, and so forth. Previously at AstraZeneca, similarly, I led end-to-end development of complex injectable platforms from early concept and due diligence through regulatory submission, transfer to manufacturing, and launch. And before that, I was with Eli Lilly and Company, where I focused on mostly on digital and connected solutions for drug delivery systems. For example, integrating digital capabilities into delivery devices to enhance data collection, data monitoring, to improve the patient experience and outcome.
What key trends are you seeing that are currently shaping the injectable drug delivery space, and which do you think will have the biggest impact over the next few years?
There are currently several trends that are shaping injectable drug delivery devices today. First, I think it's the rise of more complex biologics. For example, the high dose and high viscosity formulations that is driving the adoption of large volume injectors that can be on body, near body, or handheld devices. Second, another trend is digital integration that are increasingly important to enhance patient self-administration experience, improve the adherence support, as well as the real-world data collection. And third, I believe it's the platformization of technologies and approaches. Time to clinic, time to market, they're increasingly critical in this competitive space. And this has led many pharma companies, actually both pharma and medical device companies, to adopt platform approach to streamline their processes and accelerate their market entry.
Coupled with key trends you're seeing at the moment, what do you see as the biggest challenges facing the combination product development and device development today, and how do you think industry could start addressing them?
That's right. Great question. I think one of the biggest challenges, and it's not a new challenge, but one of the biggest challenges in device and combination product development is managing the complexity across technology itself, the regulatory requirements, and the patient needs, while at the same time accelerating the development schedule and accelerating time to clinic and time to market. So we are designing devices for increasingly complex biologics, right? That could have like higher doses, higher viscosities, at the same time ensuring, strong human factors and usability, while at the same time, again, complying to evolving regulatory expectations and landscape in this space. And the way that the industry has been addressing these challenges, actually, they're doing that in several ways. For example, investing in earlier cross-functional alignment, right? Involving the regulatory, involving the quality, internal and external from the start. There is also, as I mentioned, a strong emphasis on platform strategies that can support not one product, but multiple assets so that it can reduce the development time and risk eventually.
What are you most looking forward to about the conference in April, and what makes this conference particularly valuable, in your opinion, for industry professionals to attend?
Right. So what I'm really looking forward to is the opportunity to engage in open dialogue with peers who are facing many of the same challenges in the delivery device and combination product development. And I think conferences like the PFS and injectable drug devices bring together the experts across pharma across device manufacturers, device suppliers, and regulatory. So it's really a cross-functional, cross-organizational forum, and it creates a practical and solution-oriented environment where people can exchange information, share the challenges, and collectively find a path forward for developing better and superior drug device combination products.
We can't wait to hear more from you and our other speakers at the event in April. Thank you for your time today, Amin. It was great to hear your thoughts and views, and see you in April.
Thank you. Likewise, and looking forward to the conference.